Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel Solution Book. I have already solved 1 to 10 question of CSIR NET June 2020 Journal Aptitude section. In this video, I will explain some more questions. I will provide link of those videos in description box. So let us start. Our first question is find the area of trapezium, and this figure was given. As we know, the area of trapezium is equal to half of sum of parallel sides multiply altitude. Now we know that parallel sides are A and B. Half A plus B multiply altitude. We have to find altitude here. So altitude means we have to find the distance between these two parallel sides, perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides. So as we know, this is a circle, this half is radius and this another half is also radius. It means altitude is equal to 2r. So we will substitute this value here, 2r. 2 will be cancel out and we will get r into A plus B. This is our answer. Next question is PQRS is a rectangle. PQRS is a rectangle. In the quarter circle, we have the area of shaded region is 24 centimeter square. PQ equals to 6 centimeter. We have to find the area of quarter circle. In order to find this area, we have to find the radius. Okay, let us see what are the given parameter. PQ equals to 6 centimeter and area of triangle PQS, which is equal to 24 centimeter square. Now this area will become half into base into height, which is equal to 24, and for this base is PQ, it means 6, and height is PS. We will find PS from here. Okay, this will become 3 and PS is equal to 24 upon 3, which is equal to 8 centimeter. Now we will redraw this diagram here. This is A, R, B. Okay, this is P, Q. If we join PR, then it will become our radius PR. We have to find PR here. We will use this triangle, right angle triangle, and we will apply Pythagoras theorem here. As we know, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PQ is 6 centimeter, and as we know that QR is equal to PS, because opposite sides of rectangle are always equal, and PS is equal to 8 centimeter. It means QR is 8 centimeter. So we will substitute this value here. What we will get is 36 plus 64, which is equal to 100. And after taking square root, we will get PR equals to 10 centimeter, which is our answer. Sorry, this is not our answer. This is first step toward our answer. We have to find area of quarter circle. Area of quarter circle. Quarter circle means 1 by 4 pi r square. Okay, 1 by 4 pi, and value of r is 10, 10 to the power square. And after solving this 1 by 4 pi, it will become 100, and after simplifying we will get 25 pi, centimeter square. This is our answer. Our next question is, starting from the same point at the same instant of the time, three cyclists PQR moves in a circular path in the same direction with the speed 18, 27 and 36 km per hour respectively. The circumference of the circular path is 5.4 km. After a lapse of how much time would they meet at the starting point again? This is the starting point. All the three cyclists start from the same point, and we will use here a very basic formula: speed equals to distance upon time. As we know, speed is given and distance is given in the form of circumference. We have to find the time. So time for P equals to distance, which is equal to 5.4, divide by speed. Speed is 18 for P. Time for Q equals to 5.4 upon speed 27, and time for R equals to 5.4 upon speed 36. Now this time period is in R. We will convert it into minutes. Multiplied by 60, and this 0 is cancelled out by this. After performing simple calculation, this decimal will be cancelled by this 0. We will solve these values. 18 3s are 54, it will become 18 minutes. 27 2s are 54, it will become 12 minutes. And 6 6s are 36 and 6 9s are 45, it will become 9 minutes. It means P cyclist will cover one round of this circular track in 18 minutes. Q cyclist will cover first round in 12 minutes, and R cyclist will cover first round in 9 minutes. So we can see easily that after a 36 minutes, P will cover 2 rounds and reach at starting point. Q will cover 3 rounds and reach starting point. R will cover 4 rounds and reach starting point. From this data we can easily analyze this result. But if the data is a little bit complex, then what we will do? We have to find the LCM of 18, 12 and 9. We will get 36 minutes. It means after 36 minutes, all the three cyclists meet at the same point. So this is our answer. Please subscribe my channel Solution Book if you like the videos. Suggestions are always welcomed. And this type of question comes many times in the exam. Whenever the time taken by the cyclist is given, you have to take simply the LCM. Whenever the speed is given, you have to calculate the time taken by them. Okay? Our next question is, based on the table, this table, what is the maximum number of diamond one can buy for rupees 10 lakh? Okay. As we know, this is size in carat. This is rate rupees lakh per carat. This is very important to be noted. And number of stocks. ठीक है? In order to buy maximum number of diamonds, we have to buy firstly this cheapest diamond, which is of size 0.25 in carat, and if still the money is remaining, then we will go for 0.5 carat, after that 1 carat, and then 2 carat. Okay, let us see the solution. As we know that for the very first size 0.25, 1 carat cost 1 lakh. Okay, and for this we have size in 0.25 carat. It means 0.25 carat diamond cost rupees 0.25 lakh. Okay, and if we buy 20, all the 20 diamonds of 0.25 carat, it will cost 20 multiply 0.25 lakh, which means 5 lakh. Still we are remaining with 5 lakh. Okay, now we will go for 0.25 carat size. For this also 1 carat cost, here from table we can see it is 2 lakh. Okay, and size is 0.25 carat, which cost 2 multiply 0.5 lakh, it means 1 lakh. For each piece we are having 5 lakh, it means we can buy 5 diamonds, 5 diamonds of this size, that will cost 5 lakh. So total number of diamonds are 20 plus 5, which is equal to 25. This is our answer. This is our last question in this video. In a flight of 600 km, an aircraft was slowed due to bad weather. Its average speed of the trip was reduced by 200 km per hour, and the time of flight was increased by 30 minutes. What was the scheduled duration of the flight? So we will use a very much basic formula. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Here distance is 600 km, but time is not given, so we will suppose it t1. Okay, now reduced speed which is calculated by the same formula, distance upon time. Distance is same 600 km, but now time is changed, so time is increased by 30 minutes. As we know that speed is in kilometer per hour, so we have to convert this 30 minutes into hours. So 30 minutes is equal to half hour. So our increased time is t1 plus half. Okay, and also we know that the reduced speed is reduced by 200 km. It means speed, which is this one, earlier speed minus 200. This is also a way to calculate the reduced speed. So we will solve this equation, simplify this one. 600 is equal to this term will cross multiply this side. So T1 plus half multiplied by 600 upon T1 minus 200. We will solve this right hand side. When first term is multiplied with this first term, we will get 600 plus. When this term is multiplied, we will get 300 upon T1. When this is multiplied with this 200, we will get minus 200 T1. And last minus 100, which is equal to 600. So this will cancel out. And we will get 0 equals to 300 upon T1 minus 200 T1 minus 100. So from this equation we can easily observe that if we substitute T1 equals to 1, that implies we will get 300 minus 200 minus 100, which is equals to 0. It means T equals to 1 satisfy this equation, and time is in R. Okay, this is our answer, because we have converted our 30 minutes into R already. It means time is in R.